Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata guys. Let's say you have a Hyundai Sonata, you have engine light on and any of the following two codes, such as code P1114 or code P1115. Stay with us, we'll explain what most likely causes that and how to fix it. It could be pretty simple fix guys, but if you do one thing wrong, you can say bye-bye to your engine because you will overheat it most likely. So stay with us and we'll explain guys how to fix that safely. Also we'll share which computer we use for diagnostics because many of you constantly ask me that in the comment section below. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything okay will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Specifically 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we have right here guys. Let's explain what can cause this code. On that Hyundai Sonata we have the air filter box removed, the intake hose removed as well, so we can get to the sensor that actually triggers that. So you have guys a sensor, okay, it's located right here. Let me just plug it in quick. Okay, this sensor right here, it's on the thermostat housing guys, and this sensor is known as a coolant temperature sensor. Now if that sensor okay is not working correctly, it's very likely that you will get any of these codes. So you got to make sure that it's a good sensor guys. We have a special video that explains how to test it. It takes only a few minutes, not very complicated video guys, and you'll find out if your coolant temperature sensor is good or bad. So that video guys will be on our channel. Check it out, how to test coolant temperature sensor. I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below as well. Now if you find out it's a good sensor guys, what else can cause that? Okay, it could be multiple things. Inspect the wiring harness to make sure it's not broken. Okay, anywhere, make sure that all the wires are present. Usually you will have 3 wires guys, in most cases. In some cases you may have 2 wires, it really depends. But this is it, you can see right here, this is the sensor. So inspect to make sure you don't have coolant leaks in the wiring harness, and make sure that you're not dripping engine oil on that sensor. It's right under the valve cover, so if the valve cover is leaking, it's very likely to get engine oil on top of it, and that can interfere with the signal and you can get any of these codes. But now, if you need to remove and replace that thing, you need to follow one step, or it can severely okay overheat your engine and you may end up needing a new engine. But before we reveal what that is, let me show you guys. That's a computer that we use for diagnostics. Many of you constantly ask me in the comment section below which tool we recommend. This is it. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. It works on almost any car you can think of. It's amazing tool. Hyundai is right here. You can access every computer in your Hyundai, and that Sonata right here, it has 17 computers. You can read, delete codes and see live data for each one of those, so makes it super powerful too guys. Now every time you replace that sensor, if you want to see a video how to safely remove and replace that sensor, we have it on our channel. How to replace coolant temperature sensor on Hyundai Sonata. You have to drain the coolant, replace the sensor, then you need to fill the coolant, and after you add coolant you need to bleed the cooling system, otherwise you can overheat your engine. So make sure you follow that step guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.